nila, ang dami nila. May event, may event. Ang galing, ang galing. Ano? Ang dami nila. Ang dami nila. Oh, cutie! Hello, hello. Ang dami. Ano pong contest, ma'am? Ano pong contest?
Wala po, wala po.
Ah, wala na.
Meet up lang, meet up.
Basta just meet up lang. Kala ko naman may contest, mga ganyan. Ah, baby! Socialization lang po ng papel.
Boy.
Ayan! Ay, blessing pala ng pets kaninang 11. Ayan. Sige po, message nyo lang ako. Ay, barking nonsense. Ay, meron pa. Cute stuff for the good ones. I'm a good boy. Wow. Paboritong anak. I'm barking nonsense. Palaging gutom. Little unemployed freeloader. Ayan o. Ayan o. Ang cute nila. Draw your pet. Ayan. Ay, ang dami nila. Apat po sila? Oo. Tamang-tama dun sa boat. Good for 4. Ay, cutie! Meron din pala cats for urgent sponsorship. Ayan. Vaccinated po? Ah,
Pero
okay.
hindi pa po kompleto po. Babies pa po.
Oo. Yes, thanks. Ayan, kanino po yan? Sa inyo po?
Adopted from Potion po. In-adopted po.
Dito po?
Sa Potion. Sa organization.
Ah, Potion pala yan. Ah, yan, Potion Project. Adopt, foster, donate, and advocate, volunteer. We can all do something. Yes. Ayan, we can all do something. Ako, medyo vlogging. This is what I can do to help. You can't change your dog's past, but you could rewrite his future. Tama. That's the before and that's the after. Ay, si Mario. College shelter. Tingnan nyo naman. The before and after. Kawawa naman sila. Oh, but look at them. That's Potion Project. Ayan. So you can change the future. Wow. How nice. Cutie. Oh, look at the clothes. Mas maganda pa ang clothes nila kaysa sa akin. No? And how much is each? Magkano po? Depends. The most expensive nyo po is how much? 1, 2. Ang cheapest nyo po is 350. Ang cheapest nila. So, what's the name? Pause Executive? Oh. Executive Pause. Baliktad. Baliktad. Ayan o. Kanino po gawa? Sa inyo? Yung create? Sa pins. Ang galing naman. Ang gaganda naman. O, tingnan nyo. Executive boss ang tawag sa kanila. Oo, ang gaganda. Wow na wow. Wow na wow. Saan po ang pinsan nyo? Taga saan kayo?
Fairview po. Ay, Fairview po.
Taga Fairview. Wow. Ayan, ayan. Oh, so, alam na natin, taga Fairview. Etong executive boss. Thank you. Ayan, oh. Hi, doggy! May damit, may damit. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Ang cute-cute. Posh naman. Posh pets. Clothes din ng mga doggies. Look at them. How cute they are. Ayan, oh. Hello. Ayan, oh. Ang cute nila. Ang cute nila. Uy, how much is my size? And how much is one?
Sorry for the dresses.
Yeah, and also this one.
Yes. So this design is 1-3 for all.
1-3 for all sizes.
And then this is 1-2 for all sizes.
How nice.
Oh,
May fur din siya.
Yeah.
Ito, Pop Souls naman. Ayan o. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Oh, they're selling clothes kasi they have their own pets. Ito naman, toys. Wow. Something to bite on. But not food. Ayan o, ayan. Didn't know there's this event here. So, nagkataon lang, nandito tayo. Backpack and harness. My harness, my backpack. Ang cute nila, oh, imagine. Pwedeng padalhan mo siya ng kanyang food sa bag. Ang cute! Magkano naman po, how much is one? Ask na lang po. Oh, para may idea lang. Hello po, good morning. How much is one backpack?
Usual po namin 995 to 1,085.
Oo, can I take your video? Yes, oh, sure. Yeah.
Sorry, ako pala po.
Ikaw
And then
pala.
yung mas malaki po is 1,095 to 1,195.
190.
1,095 to 1,195. Yung mas malaki.
Alright. Ay, grabe,
Backpack
no?
and harness na po siya, ma'am.
Okay, what a business,
Yes,
no?
po.
Do you
Locally
make them?
Yes,
Locally
handmade in the Philippines po.
Oh, but you're not the ones who
Ay, hindi
make
po. Meron
them.
kaming
May
gumagawa.
supplier lang.
Oh, yes.
Ayan. Good luck sa business.
Thank you po.
But do you have pets of your own?
Yes, we have two dogs, and then 3 cats.
Wow! Because I have also one business. Ito po. Ito. That's a columbarium vault actually to assure the future of your beloved pets. Oh. Boba's Backyard Pet Fair. Ayan. If you want to donate, andyan. Kasi ano siya, project of potion. So, passion. So, in one, potion. Oh, may nag-donate na naman. Yay! Okay. Ready po sila for adoption. Ito sila. May-ari sa... Ayun. Cats. But the dog, the other one is... May owner na po. Tanong ko lang naman. Oh, ambassador pala sila. Ayan sila ang mga pet ambassadors. Oh, ayun pa, ulit pa. Oo, marami ang Oo, mapagmahal sa mga hayop. Mga taong mapagmahal sa mga hayop. Pero, merong mga hayop din na mapagmahal sa kanilang owners. Ayan, ayan, ayan. So, ayan, okay. Ikot muna ako, ha. That's the Pet Expo. Okay, that is the Pet Expo. Yes. So, Boba's Backyard. Ayan, try natin ang Taco Bell. So, let's try some, nachos, quesadilla, burrito, or whatever. Crunch wrap. Ayan siya. Basta taco bundle. Sobra naman yan. Oo. Ito lang yung good for one only. So, let's try. dami talaga nila dito ngayon. Ayan, oh, mga fur babies at saka fur parents. Nandito po, ang dami nila. Ayan. O if you want to adopt, yan, for adoption yung iba. Pero ito talaga, mga pet ambassadors na po sila. So, ibig sabihin, meron na silang before. You can change a cat's past, but you could rewrite his future. Sabi ng po. Hello! Hi, baby! Hi, baby! Oh, the cat is there. Hello! Okay, actually, dito po sa One Ayala, hindi lamang po for pets, also for humans. Siyempre, mas una yung physical fitness ng ating mga kaibigan dyan, oh, na nagte-tennis po. So, there's a tennis court, good for 2 doubles. Ayan, oh. Pwede namang singles, pero 2 tennis courts po. Napakaganda. Ayan, enjoy, and stay healthy. Sa taas po, may wellness hub. Ito, we're here for the Pet Expo. Yes, and it's Boba's Backyard Pet Fair presents our biggest event yet. Wow! Pet Expo, October 5 to 6. Today is just October 5. So, bukas po, hanggang bukas po sila dito sa Level 2 Concourse. Ayan. So, follow us on Boba's Backyard. Shop from your favorite pet brands, join free games, and win amazing prizes. See that? Okay. May baon na tayo para sa Junakis. Take out na po. Ready to go home.